Hello friends, today we are going to learn about what is DHCP server and how to configure it in minutes. First we'll get to know what is DHCP server. DHCP server is basically a server which will provide the IP to the network. So basically it is used in small, medium and large scale industries. Why? Why DHCP server is required? So whenever a DHCP server is configured, it's meant for a purpose. What does that mean? For first point, it is providing the IP. But why it is required IPs to internals? Because already if you have a lease line to your office or your work area, then why you again need a IP? So what will happen basically if you have a lease line and you are provided without a DHCP server? So everyone having the same IPs. Okay. Also you cannot control it. So for that, basically the lease line will be coming to a server, and from the server it will distribute to everyone, so that each and every people's request will come to server, and from server it will go away. So you can control in the server like the restriction of the websites, or you will track who and all will going to that particular website for that purpose. So yeah, so basically DHCP server is providing the IPs so that you can take it to a particular domain or particular uh, team-wise domain, so that you can do through the IPs. So let's jump into the DHCP server. So for that, I have made a VM with a server operating system, which is 2019. So hope you know how to make a Hyper-V machine, because I have mentioned in my previous video. You can watch my previous video to know about how to create a virtual machine in Hyper-V. So let's jump into this is my server operating system which I set up. Okay. So you can see whenever you load a operating system, it will look like this. So in server operating system, there is two evaluations. One is standard and one is desktop evaluation. So you can go for desktop evaluation for the desktop experience, or if you know about the commands and all, then you can go ahead with that as well. So whenever you launch the server manager, you will see this dashboard. So in this dashboard, you have to go to add roles and features. You can go for next, and you can go for role and feature based installation. And here you can select the server. Then here you can see DHCP server. I will click on this DHCP server. So it will take the features. You can add the features and click on the next to install it. Okay. That's all. Installed. Installing. So once the service is added, you can see one more service like this. It is running. It will add one more DHCP service as well. So basically this service, as I told you, it will assign the IPs to the system which is connected in the network. To make our understanding better, I will change the PC name as well after this. So you can see it is installing started. You can close also. If you don't want to see in the screen, you can have a close button. Let's wait for now to done. Yeah. So now you can see it is done. Configuration succeeded. Okay. I can click on here DHCP configuration, or you can close here and you can click on here to configure DHCP configuration as well. What is this? description. So you can have a create the, it is saying about the security groups. So DHCP server admission and user, it will do. You can just click on the commit. So your groups will be created and commit will be there. Now you can go for manage tools, and you can have one option here, DHCP. Mandate. So you can see here now, it will instruct you as well in this screen, add a scope. So you can right click, new scope, click on the next. You can mention your network name. Suppose I will mention like it is YTV network. Starting IP range, I will give like 170, 170, 10, then 50, and IP will be 170, 170, 10 dot 100. Okay, so let's make this 255, and it will automatically change to one. Next, next, next. Okay, so your scope is added now. So you can see here your address pool will be 50 to 100. So I will manage this. Yeah. So I'll close this, no issue. So you can see here now. Let me refresh. You can refresh the dashboard like this, so that it will be services will be reloaded. Okay, that's all. So now I will connect to the same network. One more PC. I have a PC called VM Mestral. So it is also in the same network. You can see this is also in the OSVM network, and here also this is also in the OSVM. Let me on this and click on connect. So for server, we need to configure the IP for it first, because once the server IP should have to be fixed, so that it will be. So you can go to Ethernet, network and sharing center, change adapter settings, properties, P4, and use this. So what is our IP range? 170, 170, 10, and dot. Let's make it 1. Okay. So I should have to make 255. So net mask. Okay. Let's make it okay. So now it will become into the range, so that now it can provide others also the same IP range. Okay. So let's verify first whether it's, yeah, it's got the same range IP. So for this we will refresh. Okay, and let's first do IP config slash flush DNS. Okay. Release, then renew it. So you can see now. You can see now the IP is been assigned. Okay. Even if you can see here VM Israel, here it is assigned. So now you can communicate even if you can configure in the same range. Okay. So this is basically a work of the DHCP server. So thank you for watching this video. We will take you to the next video on DNS server. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.